Hello everyone, most welcome on my YouTube channel Shoki Insta Fashion. In this video, we will briefly discuss about another famous American curvy Instagram model, Honey Baby. Her real name is Honey Baby. Birth date: Honey Baby was born on 26th June 2001. Birthplace: Honey Baby was born in California, United States of America. Nationality: American. Honey Baby is plus size model, fashion blogger, influencer, OnlyFans star, TikTok star, social media star, and Insta fashion celebrity. Figure size: her figure size is almost 38. Eyes color: Honey Baby eyes color is black, brownish and white. Height: Honey Baby height is approximately 5 feet 1 inches tall, curvy model. Body weight: Honey body weight is approximately 77 kilograms. Hairstyle: Honey Baby hair's color is brownish and black. Her hairs are very strong and slim. Net worth: Honey Baby net worth is almost $11,000 per month. Marriage status: she is currently single and looking for a life partner. Followers: Honey Baby has 128,000 followers with 147 posts on her Instagram account at the time of making this video. Her Instagram account username is honeybee.baby. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe now my YouTube channel Shoki Insta Fashion for more curvy models, biography and updates. Please visit our website getoverallinfo.com. Thanks for watching. Bye and love you dear viewers.